In this episode, we have the most powerful couple in the universe. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando. In this project, we have a design by Dream Brush Custom Creations, the design, Justice League, and the shoe, a Converse All-Stars. Now, looking at this shoe, we have portrait work, logo work, texture design, shading, you name it, we have it all. Let's look at this one by one. The Superman logo, and by the way, has anybody seen Zack Snyder's Justice League yet? Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I haven't seen it yet. I'm about to watch it later today, but everyone is saying that this is going to be one of the best movies of all time. I don't know, I could be wrong, but let's get back into the shoe. Looking at the logo, you already got a bunch of colors. You got your, Superman red, got mixes of the orange, the yellow, the highlights on the white. You see the outline of the white on the S. And then in this texture, you got splatter. Looks like it's intentional brush strokes, right? With the splatter effect. But you can see that you have that gradient or that outer glow mixed in with that texture. So very cool effect. But overall, the texture on this is just amazing. You can look at the Wonder Woman logo. The only thing that I'm missing here, and if we look back at the Superman logo, you see there's the shadow behind it. And I know, it's probably based off of a reference that was being used, but it would have been nice to have that same feel on the Wonder Woman logo. The gold, the whites, the yellows, separating that with the red is just a nice contrast. Very cool. Then you got that splatter, but that more of the fire or I don't know what you call that sparkle effect that just shoots right off like fireworks. So very cool. And then looking at this was an all white shoe. So going into this and changing up with those colors, look at the portrait of Wonder Woman. That's just amazing. The hair strokes, you got the eye, the face, the look, the highlight. You can just look at this, and this is a beautiful piece of artwork. Even down to the arm, just overall great work. I love the background. You can see the top left, we have the orange, and then the right, we have the blue. We'll see that right here on this one. Look at that fade. That's just beautiful. Coming in from that orange, yellow, into the white to the blue. And then you have the debris, the different effects, right? That's adding the texture behind Wonder Woman. So that's beautiful. Looking again at the portrait, spot on. That's amazing. And then the logo with the Wonder Woman on point. Again, I'm just missing the feel of a little bit more drop shadow. And then you look at Mr. Clark Kent, matching backgrounds, cape flying off to the side. Something a little off for me on the face, but nonetheless, great job putting this down on a Converse. Love painting on Converse. You have a lot of real estate and a lot of freedom, not a lot of distraction. So that's just great work. Yeah, and then looking in on Superman a little bit, you got the shades, the darks, the highlights, everything is there. The blues or the suit. I'm loving the background texture, but you got to give up. This portrait work is top notch. So let's go back. If I had to pick one of the two, Wonder Woman, great job. Beautiful all the way around. The highlights, the tone, the face, the expression. I think that you did a great job there. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.